knee, back on the 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 knee. Okay, time to do stops. Ready, 1, 2. Whoa! Dude! That really hurted. Okay. Ready, 1, 2. Oh, game over.
Use my teddy bear, for example, or that. Use that for example.
Ready, 1, 2. Ow! You should have caught her. No, you should have caught her. Oh, hold on. Thank you.
No, keep going, dirty bitch.
Oh, I'm a dirty bitch. 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 Come on, okay? Thanks for asking.
Nobody asked.
Well, that was probably rude. Now I'm done.
Let's jump on the vegetarian and show him how you hurt yourself alive.
It's time to.
Okay, just hold on. But she's just gotta jump in the bed a
I
little.
know. No, you'll break the bed.
No, she
Jess,
won't.
Jess,
No. I do.
Listen. It's just screaming.
Okay.
Your dad is sleeping.
All right.
It's gotta stop.
Okay.
No more hurrying stuff.
Okay, go. Louder, do a little louder.
Marty. That ain't her.